Welcome to another Item Inc. video tutorial. If you depend on your printer, depend on us. Every 200,000 prints, you should replace the Phaser maintenance kit of your Xerox Phaser 4500 or 4510 printer. This will reduce the likeliness of jams, improve print quality, and extend the working life of your printer. For the 4500, the part number is 108R00600. For the 4510, the part number is 108R00717. The kit includes a Phaser, transfer roller, and 6 pickup rollers. So let's get started replacing the Phaser. This should only take a few minutes and doesn't require any tools. First, power off and unplug the machine. The Phaser may be hot, so give it about 20 minutes to cool down. Open the rear door by lifting the gray tab. Release the 2 orange tabs holding in the Phaser. Pull the Phaser straight out. Install the new Phaser in its place. Lift the tabs up to secure the new Phaser. Close the rear door. Open the top cover and remove the print cartridge. Remove the transfer roller by squeezing the top and bottom of the orange tabs on both sides of the roller. Install the new transfer roller, making sure the black teeth are facing upwards. You should feel it click in place. Next, remove both trays. Behind the trays, you will see a total of 4 rollers on the 2 feeder assemblies. Remove each roller by lifting up the tab at the end of the roller and sliding it off the shaft. When installing the new rollers, turn the roller until it clicks into place. Next, remove the roller on each tray. When sliding the new roller on, make sure the roller and white plastic bearing are aligned correctly. The roller should once again click in place. Reinstall both trays. Now reinstall the print cartridge and close the top cover. Now plug in and power on the machine. Lastly, we need to reset the Phaser life count. From the main menu, press OK on Information. Now scroll down to Supplies Info and press OK. Scroll to Reset Phaser Life, press OK. Now press OK a last time to reset the Phaser life now. And that's it. Your machine should now be working properly. To order this part, or any of your printer needs, please log on to www.iteminc.com. That's www.iteminc.com. For free technical support, give us a call at 1-800-367-4836.